Good Sunday morning, people. I am out and about this morning on my way to Starbucks to get me some coffee right now. And I have two coffee spots that I love to go to, and that's Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks, as you saw in the clip the last week. However, I prefer Dunkin' over Starbucks, and it could be because I'm a bit partial to the people that work in the Dunkin' that I go to, or it may not be. I don't know, but I am a bit more partial to the people at Dunkin'. Well, let me tell y'all, I got this. Okay, the phone is sitting up on this camera mount in the car, and I think I'm going to send it back. I know I'm going to send it back. I'm going to order me another one. I'm going to send this one back, depending on what I find. And so this one, the thing about it, this one is like a double thing, like at the bottom. So for instance, this is my phone one, the one for my phone, and the one that I have that I'm using for the camera, it has two of these little stopper type things at the bottom versus one. But with my phone came a little mount thing you put on the dashboard, and so when you stick this on, it sticks on the thing on the dashboard. Well, with this camera mount, it didn't come with one of those, so it is just, it won't stick down. So I had to take my phone off of its thing and put the camera mount on there, which is like, no, I should not have to use it like that. So I'm going to send this back. I'm going to send this back and get me, try to see if I can find a single one that does have a thing that goes on the bottom, because this is like so not the business. So what you say?
We're right here in North Columbus at Hooters, and I'm waiting on my drink. I'm so thirsty. I'm so hungry, and I had to wait until 6 o'clock to get something to eat.
So anyways, we are at Hooters, waiting on our drinks and our food. I think I told y'all before that I do mystery shopping. So we're doing a mystery shop right here at Hooters. And I did get the wings and the veggies, but I did order a cocktail. So I am trying to keep it light. But today is Sunday, so I'll be working out in the morning. So that's all that matters, right? Right. Okay, so Patrice got this big gargantuan order of nachos. Let me try to hold the camera a little better on it. Oh. This is my veggie.
You realize you said my name.
Patrice? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So Patrice got this big gargantuan order of nachos. Ooh, that's a big order of nachos. And here are my veggies. And my wings haven't come yet, so they should be out in a minute. Okay, you can get your nachos back. And she goes immediately to put salt on her guacamole. Hasn't even tasted it and goes immediately to put salt on it. Alright, so here are my wings, and they finally arrived like 5 minutes later to the party, but they're not cooked hard enough, so I don't know. I have to cook these a little harder. Good Monday morning, people. Y'all, it is 47 degrees, but with the way my anemia is set up, it feels like it's about 20-something degrees. I am so freaking cold. So I am on my way to the gym this morning. I want to go to the gym and get me a workout at the gym. I have on some lip color, some lipstick. I think it's called Please Me, something like that, from MAC. The only reason I have on lipstick this morning is because I could not find my lip balm, and my lips were kind of dry. You know, this type of weather dries everything out, from your hands to your lips, face, skin, I mean everything. So I just need to find my lip balm or stop cleaning out my makeup bag and taking it out. So anyway, today I'm going to do another treadmill workout.
On the playground is where I spend most of my days.
Laying on the track, laying on the track, laying on the track.
All outside of school, when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, one little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie and Uncle Bel Air. I begged and pleaded with her, up to no good. Open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, and my mom got scared. She gave me a kiss and then she gave me my ticket. I put my Walkman on the bed. Might as well catch the wind over here, born and raised on the playground, as well as most of my days. Catch the wind over here, born and raised on the playground. Catch the wind over here, born and raised on the playground, as well as most of my days. Catch the wind over here, born and raised on the playground. Born and raised, born and raised, born and raised. Still went over here, born and raised, born and raised, born and raised. Still went over here, born and raised, born and raised, born and raised. Still went over here, born and raised. I got in one little fight, and my mom got scared and said, one little fight, and my mom got scared and said, one little fight, and my mom got scared and said, one little fight, and my mom got scared and said, gave me a kiss and then she gave me my ticket. I put my Walkman on again. Still went over here, born and raised, born and raised, born and raised. Still went over here, born and raised.
All right, y'all, so I only did like 22 minutes and I'm done. This morning I have my right knee sometimes gives me issues like popping and cracking. I started one time years ago when I was pregnant, and ever since then, every now and again it gets to popping, and this morning is one of those mornings where it's popping, and so I'm just like, I'm so done with it this morning. I did 22 minutes and that's enough. The popping is irritating me, so I'm about to go do the other errands I need to do and go home.
Good Tuesday morning, people. I am on my way to the gym today, and it is like 7:41. I had plans to leave out of the house earlier than what I did, but I didn't. So I am on my way there now. This morning I was pretty hungry, so I had to eat something. So, and I didn't have anything for breakfast, any breakfast food. I need to go to the store. So I ate one of these right here. I ate part of it, but I still have a little bit left. As you can see, I can still hold this, but most of it is gone. So I just needed to get a little something in my system because I was just really hungry. Now what I normally do, and I need to get some, I don't have any, I'll eat like 5 or 6 saltine crackers. I know most people that are trying to lose weight stay away from white bread, starches, all that kind of stuff, but for me, a few saltine crackers doesn't hurt anything. So I'll eat like 5 or 6 of those, and those are kind of like, even though there's really no sustenance to them, drink some of those, drink a little water, boom, it's like I'm good to go at least until I finish with my workout. So that is what I'll do sometimes. So this morning I'm doing one of the workouts that I did in one of my previous videos, one of the previous Fitness Fridays, and I am going to show it, but I tried a different workout yesterday, which was fine and dandy, but I thought about the fact that I keep switching up, and when I say I keep switching up, I don't have a whole lot that I try to go through, but I want to try to get a routine and do it for at least a week or two and then move to another one versus doing a different routine every day. So, excuse me, I'm going back to the one that I did previously. So if the gym is not crowded and all that good jazz, then I will be recording while I am here at the gym. All right, y'all, so I went to Walmart, so I have a little bit of a haul. It is amazing how quickly you can spend $100. So anyway, let me show you what I got. So I have 4 of these Lunchable snacks. It's like 2 snacks in one. So you tear it across here, you have 1 snack and 1 snack. So I bought 4 of these. I bought 2 dozen eggs. I'm not a big egg eating fan, but my mom and Pumpkin do eat eggs. And my mom makes egg drop soup like it's the best thing since sliced bread. And then I bought these Popeyes. I might eat one of them, but I pretty much bought them for Pumpkin. I bought Philly steak and cheese, ham and cheddar, and then another Philly steak and cheese. This one has the croissant crust, and this one has the seasoned crust. So, I don't know, I just bought 2 different ones. I bought a bag of Skinny Pop popcorn. It says sharing size, but I'm going to be honest, I have no plans of sharing this popcorn. It is the white cheddar flavor, so they may end up drawing back a nub if they touch this popcorn. All right, and of course, y'all know I have to keep my Blue Diamond almonds. It's the whole natural almonds. This is the big bag, and it says 20% more free. I always get this big bag. And, of course, some string cheese. I'm a string cheese fanatic, so I got me some string cheese. And then on Tia Mowry Quick Fix, she used some bacon to make some collard greens. And so I got me some bacon because I'm going to make some bacon, some collard greens, and put the bacon inside them. So I got some bacon.
And then I got some sausage, and this is just to eat for breakfast. So, box of sausage. And then I bought some Clorox foaming cleanser because I keep it in my bathroom, but I'm out, so I need one for my bathroom in my room. And I bought a French vanilla creamer. I usually get the I don't even know what the other brand is. It's a name brand kind, but I got the Great Value kind. I don't mind getting the Great Value over the name brand one. Doesn't matter to me. And then I got my multivitamins. These are the gummy multivitamins that I take, and so I had to get another one of these. Pronamel toothpaste and some Oral-B Super Floss. I use the type of floss because I've had dental work, orthodontic care, and things like that. So I need the regular floss. I need the super floss that can go up under your wire versus the regular floss that can't go through it. So anyway, that's my floss. And next I got the Nature's Own white wheat bread. I don't eat bread too often, but my mom and Pumpkin do eat bread, as well as I will eat bread sometimes, toast with some peanut butter or something like that. But usually what happens with us in the house, because we don't eat bread that often, it ends up molding. But they better not let this bread mold. They better eat this bread. But I particularly wanted it just to eat a little peanut butter on it to get some protein. And then I did get some McCafe decaf coffee. This is for my mom. Yeah, she owes me, I think this was $5 and something. So she give me my money back. So she can give me my money back for getting her some coffee. And then I got myself the McCafe Premium Roast in the canister. And actually I have a Keurig, and I usually buy the K-Cups, but I have the thing that you can put your coffee in and put it in there. So that's what I'm going to use, because I'm going to kind of buy my coffee, I mean not buy my coffee, but make my coffee at home for a little while. And then the last few items that I did get, I like Jimmy John's unwich sandwiches, but I don't like their unwich sandwich prices. So I bought some meat to do my own unwiches, except for I still need to go back to the store to get some pickles and some cheese because I forgot that. But I bought the rotisserie seasoned chicken breast, the Black Forest ham, and the smoked turkey breast. And there's already some romaine lettuce, the heads, whatever you call them, in the refrigerator for the shells. So I got this meat, but I need some pickles, and I need some pickles, some sprouts, and some cheese to make my unwich. So yes, but that'll be for lunch tomorrow, because today I'm already going somewhere for lunch. So yeah, that's my little mini haul. And you see, I didn't get a whole lot of stuff, but yeah, it added up quick. Friday morning, I am coming in to weigh myself. It is the day after Thanksgiving, and I have on, as my daughter would call it, my thigh outfit. I don't know, this is so comfortable. I love to wear this, and y'all, I think I told y'all before, if I have not, I am a bad anemic. I mean, it's horrible. But they talk about I wouldn't be so cold if I didn't wear this kind of stuff. But you guys, some of you have been with me since the beginning, so you know where I come from when it comes to my weight. So if I can wear thotty clothes in the house, it's fine. I don't wear thotty clothes outside, so I'll wear thotty clothes in the house. So with that being said, let me go ahead and stand on this scale. I'm going to tell y'all now, I highly, highly, highly doubt if I've lost any weight. I doubt it, but we're going to see. 2 ounces. Not 2 ounces, 7 ounces. 196.2, and last time was 196.9, or was it 196.7? So, yeah, I haven't lost any weight. Second time, and it's the same thing.